name's Thea. I work with Montgomery's Furniture. I'm one of their design consultants. I was given a task of coming up with a bedroom for $5,000. And I came up with actually way under. Our total was under $3,000 for our full bedroom set, a rug, and a really cool side chair. I really like the mid-century kind of look to everything. That beautiful walnut just adds a lot of warmth. We try to incorporate a lot of neutrals because we want your bedroom to be relaxing and calm and comforting. The art piece that I chose, I think, is just really interesting. It has some beautiful colors in it. It's not beige and boring. It definitely adds a splash without being busy. I try to incorporate the colors from the painting across the room with the throw and the rug and even that light rust color that's in the accent chair. I wanted to give you enough storage, so we have a bachelor's chest, which is a really cool option for storage instead of a chest of drawers, because you have shelving storage instead of just all drawers. You also still have your traditional dresser. The bed is nice and simple and clean, which I love having just a clean look in the bedroom. I don't want it to be too fussy, too much texture. It just keeps it calm. If you're ever interested in any of our design help, because we do offer free design consultations, which we can come in and help you figure out what your style is too, because you might not know. We are always here to help. Doesn't matter how big or small the budget is, we try to make your space work for you.